hiphopbeats.com.
I got flaws, but I'm perfect. I kill the beat, but I heard it. I told you once, and I can tell you twice. I can fuck your bitch, and I can take your wife. I spit flame, might need ice. I'm a bully, fuck being nice. With a flick of my wrist, I can take your life. Brain off and on like a strobe light. The things in my mind are constantly dark. I have no sense with $1 to start. Life is never a walk in the park. When I kickstart and make it all get dogs bark. Strange art, more like a talent. I can teach you spin a nigga lose his balance. More than valid, I'm a fucking problem. Call me home, cause I'm smashing all them. More the worst, have been off the wall. I keep saying shit that won't break your fall. I commit this sin because I want it all. You step to me, then I'm gonna make you fall. Access of Rudy on my level. Why abuse my power just like a devil when I kill shit like a horror movie. Michael Myers and Jason too. I took Chucky's bitch and beat her with a switch. Call Miss Tilly and I gave her dick. I'm truly on some other shit. You can call me crazy, but I can take it, bitch. I'm out of hand and I'm out of pocket. So put the needle in your eye socket. Feel bad cause these niggas hate. You'll know the name, but you been late. Solar Bane, not evil nigga. I must admit I be acting sick. And for all the people that doubted me, finally no one that can be talking shit. I'm a living example of irony. Cause I came up when they made fun of me. Yet I chew rappers like I do the mic. Words poisonous like a spider bite. All these niggas get tongue tied. Don't you know that's a strange art? You chew the beat when you been lad. Never fuck with my strange art. You tweak the shit that I used to do. I'm the master of strange art. When you start the beat, you're not catching me. That weak shit that I'll never start. All these niggas get tongue tied. Don't you know that's a strange art? You chew the beat when you been lad. Never fuck with my strange art. You tweak the shit that I used to do. I'm the master of strange art. When you start the beat, you're not catching me. That weak shit that I'll never start. Whoa. A habit of violence and making them float. I'm causing the trouble that people are running. You don't want no problems of calling me savage. I'm saying I'm bad, or saying I'm right. It could be worse, I could have a knife. I could kill a nigga then roll him over. When I stop his face, call a jackknife. I do admit I don't act right. When I'm obtuse on a good night, I need save to turn off the light. Cause I'm trapping shit like I slang white. With a couple words I can leave a mark. So a mental note can leave a deeper scar. Writer's block to a paper cut. You against me, then you fucking up.